Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Get ready for a nice weekend. What we have here is a 1960s SPEER bullet retail display. So basically what this would have been is on a display counter to give the buyer an idea what kind of gauge bullets he would be buying. We sold quite a few of these. If you're into vintage advertising, a gun collector, this would be perfect for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.